what is going on with the crypto market. Is the bull run over? We're going to talk about it today. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jeremy here, and if you want to follow along my journey as I build wealth for my family, then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I am merely a guy sitting in front of a computer talking to a camera. This is just my speculation and opinion. Do your own due diligence before you invest in anything. I'm sure, like most of you, you probably woke up this morning and started getting notifications from different apps that the crypto market was down, and I'm talking way down. I mean, look at, let's pull this up here. All right, look at this. The entire market is down 30%. This is as of Wednesday morning. You can see Bitcoin is down to 35,000, Ethereum 24. Look at some of these. Cardano was literally just up at 250 something yesterday or the other day, and it's down to 146. Dogecoin, some of you have that, it's down to 34 cents. Look at this, Bitcoin Cash. It was just at 1200 and something, and it's down to 680. So the question then becomes, what's going on? Is this it? Is this the end of the bull run? Is it over? Is this the impending crash? My speculation is no. This is just like the silver market is manipulated, the crypto market is manipulated as well. There are giant whales that hold large bags of all of these currencies, so much so that they can fluctuate the market. Some of these exchanges, in my opinion, are likely manipulating the market as well. So the question is, what do you do? My portfolio is down. Likely your portfolio is down. But as long as you don't sell for a loss, I believe that this whole market is going to come back up. As I mentioned in all of my videos, I don't purchase tokens merely for speculation, trying to get gains over a short period of time. All of the tokens that I buy and the ones that we talk about in the Patreon group, which if you haven't already signed up for Patreon, you might want to go click on the link below, go check out the Patreon group. We talk about a lot of this stuff in there as well. But I purchase tokens merely for utility and what I believe would be long-term investment, long-term gains, because they have a quality product and service that they are, or a problem that they're aiming to solve. And so, for instance, many of you know that I am, where is it at? There you go. So THETA has dropped down to number 21 as far as market cap goes. But look at this. This is $6.43. It was been fluctuating right around $10 or so for weeks now. It hasn't seen this number since March, I believe, maybe even February. And so when we're talking about in purchasing or buying into these coins, if you believe in the long-term viability of THETA, what THETA is aiming to do, then you actually see these dips not as a bad thing, but as a way to buy and increase your bag at a significant discount. $6.43. I've been hearing for weeks people in the forums and even on this channel saying, is it too late to buy THETA? It's at $10, $12. What should I do? Should I buy? Should I wait? And my guess is that a lot of those people that have been trying to buy THETA, wanting to buy THETA, but it just looked too high for them, they probably won't even buy right now whenever it is this huge discount, this huge steal right now. Likely what I see is going to happen is you're probably going to have in the next probably week or two, 3 weeks, maybe even a month, you're going to have lower prices. Prices are going to be down, but come summertime, and especially if you look at THETA and the mainnet launch that is coming in June, I believe many of these coins are going to pop back up and hit all-time highs. A lot of times what will happen in the crypto market is you will have these crashes, 30, 40% crashes. Prices will go down all across the board. And then in short order, they will hit new all-time highs. So when they bounce back, they will bounce back to to higher levels than what they were before. So you look at Bitcoin, what was Bitcoin's high? It was like 62, 63, something like that. I imagine that when Bitcoin pops back, it will probably hit 75,000, somewhere in there would be my guess. And so if you ask me the question of, do you think that the bull run is over? My opinion is that no, the bull run is not over. It will be coming back, and it will come back with a vengeance. But you need to do your own due diligence. And again, I don't suggest that you just randomly buy coins because anybody on the internet tells you to. What you need to do is do your own research, look at coins that you're interested in, figure out what their utility is, figure out how they are managed as a company, and see if it's worth buying into whatever it is that they're doing. I've been mentioning in these videos for a while about launching a Patreon. Well, it is live. You can go, I put a link in the description. You can go check out the Patreon there. It's already a community that's growing. If you want to follow along in the Patreon, I talk more in depth about what my strategies are. Coins that I don't necessarily even talk about on this channel, I talk about in the Patreon. So if you have any interest in that, links in the description. Go sign up, support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. The other difficult thing with all of this, and you may be experiencing it as well, is a lot of these exchanges, Coinbase being the large one, is not functioning well right now. You can hardly buy anything. You keep getting error messages. And I think they're just completely overwhelmed by people, trying to buy, also people trying to sell. And all I would say is just keep trying. Don't give up on it. Keep going, and eventually I believe that your buy or your sell, which I don't suggest selling, hold on for dear life, but your purchases will go through eventually. Over time, I think these exchanges will get their issues resolved, and you won't have those issues whenever you get these massive buy-offs or sell-offs, but time will tell on that. If you want to know how I buy some of these more obscure coins, how I purchase them, where I store them, I have a video that talks all about that in the Patreon, so definitely go check that out if you have any interest. If you like this video, please like it, share it with somebody who might want to see it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I've got another video starting right over here. Go check that out. I'll see you over there.